KPOA 93.5 FM. It is Aloha Thursday, and every Thursday around this time, we talk with one of our health professionals from Maui Health. And this morning, we have Emergency Management and Safety Project Manager Jeremy Cooke. Good morning, Jeremy.
Good morning.
Jeremy, a couple of cool questions because we have hurricane season. In fact, we're already in it. June kicked off hurricane season. So what we want to know is, how does Maui Health get ready for natural disasters, and what goes into your emergency planning?
Yeah, so at Maui Health, we keep it simple but pretty solid. We have a clear plan to make sure that we keep going no matter what. Each year we'll review our risks, check our backup power, our water systems, and stock the supplies we need to be self-sufficient. But really what it comes down to is that everybody knows what their role is, and that we have backup plans in case people aren't here. What ties it all together is communication, staying connected with our staff and our external partners.
Teamwork makes the safety plan work, right, Jeremy?
It sure does.
You know, with handling things there on your own and trying to keep an eye on what's going on where it comes to our county officials and city officials, does Maui Health team up with city and county officials to stay ready during hurricane season or other emergencies?
Oh, yeah, absolutely. We work really closely with Maui County Emergency Management Agency as well as our other local partners in our healthcare coalition all year round, not just during the storms. We are integral in their county-wide planning so that we can share our plans to make sure they're aligned. And during a response, we'll share our real-time updates so that we're all aligned. As the hurricane season approaches, we participate and practice our plans to make sure that we're capable of responding and aligned, because when we're all in sync, we can take care of our community together and make sure that everybody's good. For
sure. You know, we're always given the advice of putting together your emergency pack, which would require, you know, the meds that you would need. Jeremy, any advice for people who rely on meds or medical gear to prep for hurricane season?
Oh, yeah. If you're relying on any kind of refrigerated meds, oxygen, or powered medical gear, planning ahead is crucial. My recommendation is to make sure that you're talking with your doctor or your pharmacist now to create that backup plan in case you lose power or you have to relocate. Some of the things I strongly recommend is signing up for the Hawaii Electric PSPS plan so that you can make sure you get those alerts, and then downloading the new Genesis Protect app that MEMA's just rolled out. It'll give you real-time information on shelters, evacuation zones, and so much more. Just making that little preparation takes a long step to making sure you're prepared later on. For sure. Well, Jeremy, thank you for answering our questions this morning, taking the time to call, and we'll talk again. All right, buddy? Yeah, awesome. Thanks for having me. All righty. Okay. Aloha. Jeremy Cooke, Emergency